Got my washer and dryer here. They both work perfectly. A little discoloration on some of the knobs, but does not affect the way they work. I just ran a load through this guy here. As you can see, it's very clean inside and out. Spin cycle runs good. I'll go back up here to just regular load. You can see water comes in like it's supposed to. Has tons of different options here. Lots of options for washing your clothes. And no leaks, doesn't shake, no weird noises or anything like that. Lid switch works. Drop that down and it starts up. The load that was just in here, I went ahead and moved over to the dryer. Excellent shape. Has a lot of options on it as well. It's got the light inside and heats very well. You see it steaming up there. There's a little heat gun. The temperature coming right out of the heating element too is very hot, and then the inside ranges in temperature. So as you can see, heat's good. This load's almost done. That's started up there, but just wanted you to see that they work good and everything on them works perfectly as it should. Let's get these listed for sale. Thanks for taking a sec to watch this video.